Many trees invest a lot of energy producing trunks that are very structurally solid, substantial, whilst others, such as the elder here, superficially looking a bit like an ash tree and being really more of a shrub than a tree, takes the opposite tact. Its wood is actually very soft. If you break open a piece of the side branch, you'll find that it's got a soft core, like sponge. So they're almost designed to fall. So in this case, this one has fallen. Clearly the main section of the trunk is dead. But where it's touched the ground, small separate plants have developed. So it's producing what is actually a clone. But this elder tree hasn't tried to remain vertically upright by having a very strong trunk. It's allowed itself to fall, and where it's fallen into the leaf litter, onto the earth, it started to produce separate plants, separate clones. So a very different tactic, but clearly very successful. It doesn't produce the most attractive of plants.